Hey guys, Mr. Lentz here. I was just gonna go over what we need to get done for the week. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Um, and again, if you need help with any of this stuff that I'm about to list off, please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. Um, okay, so last week we did systems of inequalities and kind of graphing them. This week we're gonna take it one step further and just do a few word problems with it. I'm going to post the notes and I want you guys to write that down in your notes notebook, and then I'm going to have you guys take a picture of that and you'll upload it to Schoology. So then after that, there'll be an Alex assignment, kind of like a practice to go along with it. If you need help with that, let me know. And then we're going to dive into properties of exponents. So this will be multiplication and division. You might have already seen some of this in middle school, but if not, then no worries. There's also going to be notes on that, and then you're going to upload a picture of your notes, and then there's going to be another Alex assignment for practice, and that's all I got for this week. So again, first thing, the system of inequality word problems notes. You're going to upload the picture of your notes. Then you get the Alex assignment, and then multiplication and division properties of exponents. Upload the picture of the notes, and then the Alex assignment. So if you guys need any help, let me know, and hope you guys have a great week. Bye.